How can I obtain my business TIN number from the IRS?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about how you can obtain your business Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, having a TIN for your business is crucial. It's needed for tax filing and reporting, and helps establish your business as a legal entity.
What is a TIN?
A Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN, is a unique number assigned by the IRS to business entities operating in the U.S. It's crucial for filing tax returns, opening bank accounts, and applying for business licenses. The most common forms of TIN for businesses are the Employer Identification Number, EIN, and the Social Security Number, SSN, for sole proprietorships.
How to apply for a TIN?
To apply for a TIN, you need to follow the following steps. 1. Determine your eligibility. Ensure you have a valid business structure in place and you have a principal business located within the U.S. or U.S. territories. 2. Apply online. The easiest way to apply for a TIN is online through the IRS's EIN Assistant page. Fill out the required form by providing information about your business, such as name, address, and type of entity. 3. Apply by mail or fax. Alternatively, you can also apply by mail or fax. You'll need to fill out Form SS4 and send it to the IRS. It usually takes about 4 to 5 weeks to receive your TIN if you choose this method. 4. Receive your TIN. Once the IRS has processed your application, you will receive your TIN.
What to do if you've lost or forgotten your TIN?
If you've lost or forgotten your TIN, don't panic. You can retrieve your TIN in the following ways. Call the IRS. The IRS Business and Specialty Tax Line, 1-800-829-4933, can help you retrieve your TIN. Be prepared to answer a series of security questions to verify your identity. Check tax returns. Your previously filed tax returns should also have your TIN. Check official correspondence. Any official IRS or tax correspondence sent to your business should include your TIN. And that's it. We hope this guide makes it easy for you to understand the process of obtaining your business TIN from the IRS. Remember, this number is crucial for your business operations, so keep it safe and accessible. We hope you found this guide helpful and wish you success in your business endeavors.